One of my main goals here is to make sewing accessible to anyone that could fall in love with the craft. Hi, I'm Ellie Lum, founder and head educator of Klum House Workshop. Klum House Workshop is a creative education space and a bag pattern and kit line. We love teaching people how to create handcrafted goods with I made this bragging rights. People are usually really surprised that they can do it. They're really, really happy that they made something themselves. They're always, I can't believe I made this. Finishing a project is a really big deal to us here. Really want everyone to leave with a finished bag. I used to run a custom messenger bag company called Reload Bags, and everything at Reload was made in-house. I trained all the stitchers to make custom bags over the years. I just found a lot of satisfaction and joy in teaching people how to make things. So all of the resources that are available, whether they be my products, which are patterns and kits, or the actual experiences, that's all focused on education and giving people a really high quality learning experience. We want people to make stuff that they really want to use. Most of the types of materials that we work with is wax canvas, metal, and leather. What makes a handcrafted good is something that you spent your personal time and energy and effort in being a part of the process of creating it. And it's really become something that you're connected to.